Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
यहाँ पे
I was not in town for Coldplay. I'm a very big Coldplay fan. Like I've grown up listening to every song. But I'm excited, yeah. It's nice that people are coming to India. People are coming out. Love yourself.
I am very excited to be here, and I'm definitely a Bieber fan. I think we're all a fan of his music, and everyone wants to go and put up a good show eventually, all artists. And I know he's going to do that for us, and he's going to spread the love, and we're going to take it. Your favorite song? I love the full album. I love Sorry. Let Me Love You, Love Yourself. So I'm very excited tonight. Yeah.
Very good evening to both of you. Don't हाथ में.
We've got kids with us over here. They're all Justin Bieber fans. I wouldn't call myself a believer, but I would definitely say that I love his music. I really am a fan of his music, and I think for such a young kid, I think he's brilliant. He's amazing.
मुझे भी मतलब I've just recently got introduced to Justin Bieber, and purely because of my son, and I kind of like his music, you know. So I'm here to enjoy and basically come here because my son has come with some of his friends, so that's it.
आपका favorite song?
Favorite song, Sorry, nice.
Good evening. Expectations from the show?
Well, honestly, it's fab for people, but it's a little crowded for us. It's quite crowded. No, it's difficult to stand there.
आपको मतलब जगह नहीं मिल पाई अंदर, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा crowded है और बहुत हमारे ऊपर लोग टूट पड़ रहे हैं, तो निकलना ज़रूरी है.
But it's awesome to see so
But
many
it's
people
amazing
coming
energy.
and watching the shows.
But you like Bieber, Justin Bieber?
Yeah.
Favorite song?
Well, the entire Purpose album is fantastic. I think Love Yourself.
And Despacito.
अब आप लोग जा रहे हो क्या?
जी, हम लोग को यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा साथ में कोई सिक्योरिटी लेके नहीं आए हैं. आज थोड़ा इसलिए जाना पड़ रहा है. आप लोगों से मिलके अच्छा लगा.
साथ में उर्वशी
Come on. Yeah, baby. All right, Bieber. One line to Bieber in Hindi, man.
Bieber, मैं आपसे प्यार करती हूँ.
It is our Coldplay or Justin Bieber. And what about you, ma'am? I'm okay with anything. I enjoy any kind of music. So I'm great. I'll enjoy tonight because of them. So you're here for your children. I'm here for all the kids. Yeah.
Sorry.
We all are sorry. Thank you guys.
रवीना जी ये तो अरे बस खाली रवीना जी रवीना मैम विजय बस सर यहाँ से राइट से सर हटना जरा अरे पीछे ना
Actually here for the kids, but I must say the 2-hour drive here, I have heard all the songs. They're nice, I'm enjoying it, and I think it's going to be fun.
सोनाली आप बड़ी फैन है कि आपके बेटे बड़े फैन है?
Beta fan hai, but I think that Alan Walker who is coming on, I really want to hear him. So I'm looking forward to that. I have no idea who is. Honestly, Goldie was supposed to do this, but he bailed out. I'm here. Now a lot of them, but his absolutely latest one, the Spanish one that he's come out with, is quite interesting.
Mother's Day is coming up, so one reason you're very thankful towards your mother. The kids really love him, Ariana and Ryan and the Cindy, another kid. So the kids are very crazy, they wanted to see him live. For me, it's very difficult to come to live events like this because it's a lot of effort, traffic, we don't have the patience, but they are very excited.
So let's say your kids made you, motivated you.
Yeah. So they kept track of the date. I kept saying, yeah, he's coming next month. And they're like, no, he's coming on the 10th. So it's like...
Okay, thank you so much.
Excited. I'm really looking forward to see Justin Bieber performing for the very first time in India, and पहली बार ऐसा इतना बड़ा concert हो रहा है after Michael Jackson in 1990s, I think so. I don't know the year, but I'm really happy that such a big international artist has come to our country. Yes. It's his persona, and I think it's the fact that any young kid can aspire to become like him. That's the main reason, because he was he used to play the guitar on a street in Canada, and from there he's come right here and he's selling out this stadium and stadiums all over the world. So I think that's a huge achievement, and I'm glad that he's doing something like this. मेरे को ही बुला रहे हो आप अभी? Yeah. Yes. Definitely. See, I stand by my point that musicians should definitely be on that stage. And if you see, there are DJs on the stage, so it's staying to the music. So I'm glad about that. And today I've come to actually enjoy the concert. And also, for the first time, I'm seeing a pop act live. So I wanted to enjoy it like any other person. And I'm really, really glad it's happened. As per the performance, I really wish and hope that I come and perform something like this in the stadium. So I'm really looking forward to that. I hope it happens. If it happens, amazing. And if not, I'll meet him in the studio someday in the future. I'm sorry? No, I haven't had a conversation with her, but I have nothing against her. She's a sweet person. I have nothing against her. Thank you so much.
I think it's super cool that he's here in Bombay, and the last 2 years of me being in Bombay, I've never seen so much buzz in the city. Great to see what he's achieved at such a young age, and we're all going to have some fun, and that's what I'd like to say.
Favorite song?
Maybe one of his favorite songs.
Your favorite of Justin Bieber?
Baby, 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 oh.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you guys. See you.
आवाज कौन है? ये मोबाइल क्या है यार? अरे जंगली लाइट भी चले। यहाँ पे ये राइट साइड यहाँ पे
I'm very excited to go and attend Justin Bieber's concert because I love his music, I love his spirit, and I've never attended a concert in Mumbai, so I'm excited more about that because Justin Bieber coming in Mumbai, it's a very big deal itself, and we celebrating music. I personally love music, so we celebrating music is a big thing, and I'm really looking forward. Sorry, I love that song.
Very
Yeah.
unique look tonight. Unique look.
Mine?
Yes.
Oh well, thank you.
And we are expecting your film also.
Yes, that's gonna come in December. So my film is gonna come, which is Sanjay Dutt's biopic, which is played by Ranbir Kapoor, of course, directed by Raju Kumar Hirani. So that's expected in December. So hopefully that will also come.
आपका किरदार क्या है?
I can't speak that.
बहुत आइडिया देके जाया करो.
I am just playing a guest appearance. All I can say that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
There is right now. Last one. Ria. Sophie. Sophie यहाँ पे तुम. ये ना लौका ये ना क्या भाई?
Good evening. Of course, it's the biggest celebration actually. मैं कहूँगा कि it's amazing कि जस्टिन बीबर आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे इंडिया में पहली बार और वर्ल्ड के नंबर 1 पॉप स्टार हैं और वो इंडिया आए हुए हैं तो of course the biggest celebration. मुझे वाइब्रेशन यहाँ तक आती है तो उम्मीदें तो बहुत कमाल की हैं और मैंने सुना है कि जब वो स्टेज पे आते हैं और जो लाइव शो होता है उनका एक अलग ही माहौल होता है. मैं भी वो एक्सपीरियंस लेना चाहता था तो मैं आया हूँ. मेरे से ज़्यादा मेरे बच्चे एक्साइटेड हैं तो वो आए हुए हैं अंदर. तो फेवरेट 2 गाने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फेवरेट हैं उनके. जो पहला था बेबी बेबी और अभी जो नया आया है सॉरी, वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. जस्ट जल्दी, वो भी जल्दी आएगा, बहुत जल्दी.
Get some time out. Actually, took a day out from my shooting.
I think
Yeah,
Sanjita
she's
is also here.
So we've taken her.
Sanjita is also here. So love का है इंतजार has become Bieber का है इंतजार. आज. Yeah. I think सब celebrities कभी-कभी इसके बारे में बात किया है कि we're normal people, we suffer things like depression and other issues, and I just want to talk about it so that it becomes more normal to talk about it.
some taboo thing, you know. So yeah.
Okay, Rochelle, before you leave, can I ask you?
Yeah.
कपिल शर्मा शो में आओगे वापस?
मैं हूँ अभी, मैं कभी-कभी आते जाते हैं, मेरा कैरेक्टर वैसा ही है. Yeah, so I'll be here, alright? I think there's someone.
But you have been leaving the show now.
No, I come and go on the show.
Kapil's leaving the show, she's going to be there.
Married soon, we haven't set a date yet. Thank you.
How are you excited to see Justin Bieber concert?
I'm very excited to be here. Honestly, Justin Bieber at age 23 is rocking the universe with his songs, with his dance movements, with his style of singing, and I love it. I actually love Sorry very much, but I keep on singing baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh. But I love the way Anmol sings Justin's song.
Youngster, आप लोग को concert के लिए आप लोग कितने excited हैं?
Oh, I'm very excited. I'm very happy कि यहाँ मैं आई अपने पापा के साथ, and we're gonna have a great time here at Diva Patil.
What's the song?
Oh, my favorite song, Love Yourself. Mama don't like you and she likes everyone, and I never like to admit that I was wrong. So baby, you should go and love yourself.
Thank you.
I see this is one major performer. That was a whole group of performers, and it was a global peace initiative. So I was happy to see that it went so well and was organized. So I know today is going to be another younger generation, probably more enthused youngsters. I'm here as just a chaperone to the young lady here, my daughter. So she's the one who really wants to be here. My favorite song, Paloma, give me some.
She knows all the songs, but I don't think you know the names. Just say sorry. The song Sorry.
Yeah, I know. But all through the drive here, my daughter was playing his song. So Sorry, I guess, is one of his nicer ones, which we enjoyed. And Paloma, you are the real fan, so she would tell you. I hear it through my son and my daughter, so that's the introduction.
Mother's Day is coming up. How special is the day for you, and what gifts does your daughter give you, and how she makes it special?
Well, today the mother is giving the daughter a gift. I bought her here for the event and for the Justin Bieber show. So I think in return, I'm sure she plans something. She does so every year and surprises me.
Like what? Like what surprises?
Well, last year she did got me a beautiful basket of assorted goodies in a basket. So that was super fun. Thank you.